Forget the measuring tape, there's a new, faster, easier way to measure and quote any internal space. The Measure and Quote LiDAR app is the ultimate tool for contractors who need to capture fast, accurate measurements and send professional quotes. Just by scanning around the room, your iPhone Pro or iPad Pro transforms into a real-time laser measuring tool, instantly capturing precise measurements of all surfaces. You get an accurate 3D model and floor plan ready to show a client. Input your material cost per square, imperial or metric, and generate a professional quote with just a few taps. Measure and Quote LiDAR app. Scan, measure, quote.